Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a painting. This painting is about like flowers made of our fingers, and I already made the vase. So here's my color. Let me tell you. There's an orange, yellow, white, blue, red, and green. But if we would need brown after for the vase, brown and white. I already took out white, but we will put brown. So let's start now. So I will take orange and make a circle here. And I'll take blue and do it to here. I will take yellow. So far I did this. Let's take more blue. Let's take a little bit more here. Let's take a little bit orange here, and some yellow right here. Do a orange right over here, and yellow over here. Let's try a red over here and here. So now we'll take white and do it all, put it a little bit in all of those circles. Take a little bit of white. Right over here. Let's put white label on here. Do some white. So now we will make some leaves. So now I got two types of greens on my finger, and now let's start filling up the middle part. Somewhere dark, somewhere light. Should be. So I'm almost done with my leaves and flowers. If needed, we could use this brush for help. For the pot, it's just like two colors, brown and white. So first I'm going to take a brown a bit and do like this and fill it, and then we're gonna put some white to like showing it's like sparkling because someone cleaned it really good. Oh, that one is really shiny. So I will make an outline of the pot with the downer part. Will be a little bit hard. Now I will fill it up. So now we will add a little bit more white to the vase. So now I put a little bit white. Now I will put a little bit more white, but I will take really little white. And do like this. To show it like it's type of glowing-ish. Let's put a little bit white over here. This is how my painting looks like. Hope you like my video. Subscribe, like, and press the bell button down. Until then, bye.